Everybody, welcome back to another Math Minute. Today we're going to talk about place value. And we're going to start off our place value conversation with expanded form. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably forgot what this is or what this was when we were little. But expanded form is simply taking a number like 4,323 and expanding it or breaking it up into its place value pieces. So I tell the kids to start with the greatest number. That's the 4, and it's in the thousands place. So 4,000 plus, what's the next greatest place value? Or the next smallest place value? It's the hundreds place, and there's a 3 there. So 300 plus, the next place value is the tens. There's a 2, so plus 20. And then the final one is the ones place with the 3. That is exactly what that is, expanded form. I took that standard form number, 4,323, and I expanded it into its place value. The next thing is expanded notation. Now, this is new to most of us. This was, brought about, after we, were in school. Expanded notation is just like expanded form, but it's a little more, I don't want to say complicated, but you'll see in a second. So 4,323. So the strategy stays the same. Pick the greatest number, or pick the greatest place value. It's the thousands place. So 4 times 1,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 1. This is just another way to break that number down with expanded form versus expanded notation. Instead of writing 4,000, you would show further how you got that 4 in the thousands place. And then the last part that we really talk about with place value is rounding. Now, this is something they've been doing for quite a while, but it never fails that this is sometimes challenging for kids. So we tried to come up with, cute ways to, show this. And I'll kind of give you guys a little cute saying that we use in 4th grade. But for the most part, the question really comes down to, if I'm rounding 4,323 and I'm rounding this to the hundreds place, I'm not worried about the thousands place. I'm just worried about the hundreds place. So I go next door or to the right of that number, and I ask myself, is 320 closer to 400 or is it closer to 300? Well, our saying is 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let the number rest. So if I'm applying this rule right now, if I go next door to the 2, 2 is less than 5, so this 3 is going to stay the same. Now, I don't have to change what's in front of it, and everything else behind this number, no matter what, will turn into a 0. So 4,323 rounds to 4,300 when you round that number to the hundreds place. I'll do one more. If I'm going to round this number to the tens place, I'm going to go to the right to the 5. Now, this number is 5 or more. So this 6 now becomes a 7 because 65 is closer to 70 than it is to 60. So that 6 turns to a 7. This 5 changes to a 0. This 9 stays the same, and the 7 stays the same. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and we'll see you next time.